let's get this cook started. Alright, I'm going to be using the Only Fire charcoal basket. Loaded up some Kingsford original. Yep, let that light up. Yeah, you know what kit I'm gonna be using. Ain't she a beauty? Yeah, so I'm gonna let that ride, and then we'll go from there. I put a pan in there to get the drippings. That's what it is right there in the corner. Yep, and if you don't know, it's gonna light up right there, and then it'll travel on to the rest of the basket. So let me go and get this cooking grate on. Yep, and then I'm gonna just get this to get the temps with the Inkbird. So yeah, so only got, since it has 3 vents in the bottom, I only got 1 vent wide open, and that's on the side of where the charcoal basket's at. So let's close it up right here, and let's open it wide open for right now, and let's get it over 250. All right, so let's move you out of the way for right now. Yep. So let's get you right there. Get you on the other side. Let's get you right there. And then you right there. Had to leave some opening so the heat can go all around, underneath, around, and above. So that's what it's gonna look like. Alright, so let's get to cooking. I'm gonna keep it over 250, goes 300. I'm good with that. I should ride with that. There are no wood chunks or no wood chips, so just letting it ride like that. But for sure, I'm gonna have to buy some. But we're gonna let it ride. I may adjust the bottom vent if it gets too hot, over 300. So let's just roll with it. Hey, look what I found. Yeah, some pecan smoking chunks. I was digging through the garage and they were hidden away. Bag looks old, but hey, it's still good, right? That wood. So right now, I don't know if you can tell, we're sitting at 275. So I like that. But let's get some wood chunks on. Yeah, this is almost about 30 minutes in. Look pretty good, right? So let's see what can get through there, if any. Yeah, that'll stay on like that. Yeah, that'll work, right? That'll work. I like that, I like that. Oh, you can smell so good. Thank you, HEB. But yeah, it's looking good. So that smoke's going now. Looking beautiful. Alright, so let's continue on. Yeah. Look at her smoke. Yeah. Gotta say, that is one beautiful kettle. Just beautiful. All right. Oh yeah, looking good. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and place the sausage right there. But looking good. Yep. We're getting there. We're almost done. We're almost done. Ham. All right. So I'm gonna take them off. They're done. Yep. I'm ready to eat. That's the charcoal situation. So it's probably about right here. You know, so but I'm gonna cut it off and then reuse that leftover charcoal for another cook. But yeah, looking good, looking good. So I'm gonna take them off and then let them rest for a bit and get to eating. I'm gonna slice into another one. Man, I don't know if you can tell, but it's not dry. Look at that. Yeah. Oh yeah. Alright. Alright. I'm happy about this cook. Did a fantastic job. This kettle right here, all kettles and whatever, just fantastic. But as you saw, that chicken breast, not dry at all. Look at that. Man, that's what you want. But a charcoal basket from Holy Fire, Kingsford, and the wood chunks also did its part. So winning combination right there, right? But man, and keeping the temps up around 275, a little higher than that, will help to get the skin hard, crispy. So that's another plus right there. But let's try it. And I did season it with, I forgot to mention, the chupacabra chicken rub. Oh yeah. Man, look at that. Tears apart. Oh, I got you dirty. Oh man, that is delicious. Oh man, I can't wait to go inside and devour that. But yeah, just those 4 meaty, big chicken breasts. Can't go wrong with breasts, right? But yeah, I'm ready to eat. Oh man, just keep staring at them. Well, hope you were kicking back, and you know, pretty simple cook right here, pretty easy video. That's how I like them sometimes. You know, I like the easy videos. You know, just lay back and just chill. But hopefully soon I'll be doing a longer video, longer cooks. You know what I mean? This weather though, it's hot. But yeah, so I'm ready to eat. I'm gonna grub on that. I'll grub on some of it tomorrow. Well, thank you for doing this long. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Smoke on, everyone. It's our Spangled Kettle. Can't go wrong.